he should report at the nearest police station. I hereby, as the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Police Command, declare Sowore wanted. I declare him wanted for the act of causing disturbance of public peace and an act to commit serious felony by planning and putting all the plan in motion to obstruct traffic on the Tomi Land Bridge, to cause hardship for Lagosians and other Nigerians, and especially visitors who are transiting through this end. We will not allow this to happen. These are the equipment, and we ensure that we are closing on him. Anywhere he is, he should be aware that we are closing on him. Williams is doing video and he couldn't come down. Let him come down. He came down in Abuja. Why is he afraid to come down in Lagos? He should come down. He should come down. Well, wherever he is, he should report himself to the nearest police station. Because I'm going to arrest him and investigate him and prosecute him. Thank you.
Here's the full story. In October 2025, Lagos State Commissioner of Police Moshood Jimoh looked Nigerians in the eye and told Omoyele Sowore, a free citizen with no criminal charge against him and no court-issued warrant on his name, to stay out of Lagos entirely. Not a caution, not an invitation to come and discuss anything, a directive. Stay away from an entire state. Then, on November 3, 2025, CP Jimoh went even further and declared Sowore publicly wanted, accusing him of planning to lead a protest on the Third Mainland Bridge over the demolition of homes in the Oworo-Shoki community. The police said it was a public safety matter, but when they got to court, they could not answer one simple question. Where was the arrest warrant? Where was the judge's signature? Where was a single legal document giving any police officer in this country the right to brand a Nigerian citizen as wanted without due process? There was nothing, absolutely nothing. So, Sowore went to court. And on Friday, February 20, 2026, Justice Musa Kakaki of the Federal High Court in Ikoyi, Lagos, sat down and delivered a judgment that ran for over an hour. He did not mince words. He called CP Jimoh's directive to stay away from Lagos arbitrary and unconstitutional. He called the wanted declaration illegal, an abuse of power, and completely beyond anything the law permits. He reminded every Nigerian that you cannot declare a citizen wanted without a valid court warrant, without proper notice, and without solid evidence that the person is actively evading a legitimate legal process. Justice Kakaki went further and held the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, personally and vicariously responsible for what happened under his command. Then he awarded 30 million naira in damages, to be paid to Sowore. Judgment delivered, case closed. Except it is not closed, because here is where this story goes from serious to deeply troubling. During the case itself, while a restraining order was already in place, CP Jimoh sat down on national television, on Channels Television, and announced on camera with the whole country watching that his declaration that Sowore remains wanted was still standing. A court order was in place. This man went on morning television and said it anyway. The court had to issue a specific warning to him, and even after all of that, even after Justice Kakaki's blistering judgment and 30 million naira in damages, today, Monday, February 23, 2026, Sowore has come out publicly to announce that the Nigeria Police Force has not paid a single kobo. No payment, no communication, no compliance, just silence and open defiance from the very institution that is supposed to be the guardian of law and order in this country. And if you think the story ends there, it does not. The police filed an appeal at the Court of Appeal on the exact same day the judgment was delivered. The same day, they walked out of that courtroom where a judge had just torn their conduct apart in public and immediately filed papers arguing that freedom of movement is not absolute and can be limited in the interest of public safety. So, they are fighting the judgment in the appeals court while simultaneously ignoring it on the ground. That is where things stand right now.
Oh God, good morning.